Have you ever wondered how we have so many different kinds of animals, from tiny insects to giant whales, and how they all came to be? If you look closely, you will see that every creature is perfectly suited to its home and way of life, but this has not always been the case. Animals change throughout Earth's history through a process called evolution, primarily driven by natural selection. This means that over many, many generations, animals gradually develop new traits that help them survive and thrive in their environment. The core mechanism behind this incredible transformation is natural selection, where individuals with traits best suited to their environment are more likely to survive and reproduce. Think of it like this. Within any group of animals, there is always some natural variation. Perhaps one animal has slightly longer legs, or another has slightly better camouflage. If these small differences give them an advantage in finding food, avoiding predators, or handling a changing climate, those individuals will have more offspring. Their helpful traits are then passed down. Over vast stretches of time, these tiny advantages accumulate. Consider a changing environment, like a forest turning colder. Animals with thicker fur or better ways to find warmth would survive better, passing those traits to their babies. Animals less suited to the cold would slowly become fewer in number, eventually fading away. This continuous cycle of beneficial traits being passed on and less helpful ones disappearing is what slowly shapes species, sometimes even leading to entirely new ones. It is also important to remember that these changes are not intentional on the animal's part. It is not that an animal decides it needs a longer neck, but rather that individuals born with slightly longer necks happen to reach food others cannot, allowing them to survive and pass on their long neck genes. This process, spanning millions of years, can be observed in the fossil record, showing transitional forms that bridge the gap between ancient species and modern ones, like the famous Archaeopteryx, an ancient bird with reptilian features. So, the next time you see an animal, whether it is a bird flying high or a fish swimming deep, remember that it is a living testament to millions of years of tiny, successful changes. Each stripe, feather, or scale tells a story of adaptation, survival, and the incredible journey of life responding to our ever-changing planet.
If you're into this, like, subscribe, and drop a comment.